Welcome to terrifying snake encounters caught on camera, where terrifying face-to-face encounters with deadly snakes are captured in heart-stopping moments that will send chills down your spine. Nature, at its core, is spontaneity.
Ela se alimentando de lágrimas, pula muita pressão em investir uma cobra que uma toxina com poder de destruição muito grande.
Screaming, snake, 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 and then running straight toward it is absolutely insane.
Wow.
That snake has a higher IQ than all of them combined.
Watch out, watch out!
Where is it?
Here.
This Vietnamese man kicked a snake until it stopped attacking him. This might sound unpleasant, but this isn't the first time he has dealt with snakes. He has encountered them on many occasions before. The female deer was rescued after being attacked by a snake.
No.
Rat snakes do in fact possess a mild amount of venom, but it is not lethal and does not pose a significant threat to humans. Walking barefoot next to a gaboon viper is completely insane. I'd react exactly the same way if I saw that scene, except there would be a lot more jumping around. He wasn't bitten, he only got venom on his hand. Shows that these animals do not actually want to bite you. They only want to be left alone, and biting is usually a last resort. The woman's calm and composed reaction in front of a venomous snake The reason the Siamese cobra moves clumsily in this video is because it cannot slither forward while in a defensive posture. The man was minding his own business when a snake suddenly attacked, startling him and sending him into... The Russell's viper is more aggressive than even a cobra, and its reflexes are extremely fast. Was bitten on the face by a snake just as he arrived at his friend's house. Water cobras look truly terrifying, blend into their surroundings extremely well. In broad daylight on a crowded street in Mumbai, a snake suddenly fell out of a delivery man's bag in India. A snake attacked a man at an internet cafe.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Let's go!
A strangely dramatic moment unfolds as a constrictor snake is thrown into a coiling position while holding its prey. Truly impressive. The color pattern of these tiles also makes it harder for the snake to... If you were walking past there would be no way to escape this monster. Vanessa Fanfula was carrying a basket of laundry out of her house when she was forced to act to protect her children from an eastern brown snake. Water snake attack. I feel sorry for that gentle little noodle. It didn't want to be thrown like that. The snake did not find it funny at all.
பாருங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ள பாம்பு நல்ல பாம்பு நீ ஏன் அவ்வளவு கிட்ட போற அதே வெளில தான் போகுது கம்னு ஜிஞ்சர் தான் பாத்துச்சு ஆமா நான் பாம்பு வருதுனோ இங்க இங்க
And I would reverse the process by which I got there.
Oh yeah.
Just a harmless garden snake sunbathing in a dangerous spot. The snake came to feed, specifically on a baby snake. You can imagine what would happen if it left for a few minutes and left the baby snake alone. Fortunately, that was not the case this time. The fiercest old lady I've ever seen. She casually walked out as if nothing had happened.
During this wet weather, as you can see in this video, this brown snake has come up off the lawn out of...
By sheer coincidence, one of the three most venomous snake species in the world happened to be in the yard.
The brown snake is trying to get inside. He doesn't necessarily know that it's actually in, and watched along and took sort of note of what the brown snake was doing. It's a pretty awesome video.
The video terrifying snake encounters, caught on camera, has delivered a series of frightening and intense moments. In your opinion, which situation was the most dangerous? Let us know in the comments below.